Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer about s to the power of 5. We can put s to the power of 2 and s to the power of 3. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Because we have s to the power of 3, so I will put this one go to the left, this one go to the right. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 3s squared ds. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have 2u. Because we don't have number 3, so we divide both sides by number 3. The square root that is about u. This one with the s we change for, this one we change for 1 minus u squared. S squared ds we change for this one. Next, u and u we simplify. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1 that is about u. The integration of u squared that is about u to the power of 3 over 3. And I will put about c. About u that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.